Hello?
Hi Tina, it's Joe.
Hi Joe.
How's the weather there today?
It's really cold. It snowed all day and the schools closed early.
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees now. It was even colder this morning.
Have you heard what the weather is going to be like tomorrow?
I was watching the news a little earlier. They said it's probably going to snow tomorrow.
I really don't like the winter. I wish it were summer.
Me too. How's the weather where you are?
It's not too bad, but it's pretty cold here too. It was about 45 today and it rained this afternoon. I heard it's going to be a little warmer tomorrow.